Hello children, today I am going to teach E-word family related exercise. Before exercise, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 13 July 2020. And day, which day today? Today Monday. And how is weather outside? Weather cloudy. And which season going on? Rainy season. Now children, take out your book number 2 and page number 17. Book number 2 and page number 17. Let's read with me. This exercise I can complete, but everybody open your book, page number 17, book number 2. Gnaw at net, gnaw at net. Wa at wet, gnaw at net. Wa at wet, gnaw at net. Gnaw at net, is on jet, jet. Net is on jet. The, the, net, net. Is, red, red. The net is red. The net is red. The, red, na at net, is, wa at wet. Now look here children, this picture. It's a jet picture and what is here? Net. Which net? It's a jet picture and net also is here. Okay. Now we read one sentence and let's do with me circle. A net. Yes, it's a net. A net. Do everybody. Then a wet net. A wet net. Okay. A wet net. Then a net is on a jet. A net is on a jet. कहाँ है net? Jet के ऊपर. Okay. Now circle. Okay. The net is red. What is the color of net? Red. So circle net and red. The, red, net, is wet, red, net and wet. Okay, all E-word family. A net, a wet net. A net is on a jet. The net is red. The red net is wet. Okay. Now next one. Picture is there already. Draw on the board. A Ben. This boy name is Ben. And a hen. Okay. Again all E-word family. A, her and hen. A, her and hen. B and Ben. A and a, her and hen. B and Ben. Her as has. P at pet. Her and hen. The, her and hen. IS is red, red. B and ban. Fed, fed. The, her and hen. Now let's do this exercise with me. Look here children, this picture carefully, it's ban and hen. A hen, yes, a hen. This hen. Ban and hen, yes, ban and hen. So, ba and ban, her and hen. Then, ban has a pet hen, yes, ban has a pet hen. Ban, pet and hen. The hen is red, yes. Hen, what's the color of hen? Red color. Hen is red. And last one, ban fed the hen. Yes, ban is fed the hen. It's a ban, fed and hen. Okay, everybody completed? Now children, fill up your page number 18. Book number, this one is. Book number 2, page number 18. LOOK, look at the picture and tick the correct sentence. Look at the picture and tick the correct sentence. Now, look here. The, net, net, is, at, wet. The net is wet. The, jet, is, wet, wet. The jet is wet. Which picture is this? Is this picture net or jet? Kids, this picture is only net. So, which are the correct sentence? First one, the net is wet. So, we correct this sentence. Now, it. Is a pen. It. Is a pen. It. Is a jet. It is a pen and it is a jet. Now, which picture is this? Is this jet or pen? Kids, this is the picture of jet. So, which is the correct sentence? It is a jet. It is a jet. Now, we pick the correct sentence. Next, ban, her as has, a cat. Ban has a cat. Ban has a cat. Ban, her as has, a, her and hen. Now, children, look here. Which picture is this? It's a ban has a hen. Okay. So, which is the correct sentence? Ban has a hen. It's a ban boy and he has a hen. The ban has a hen. Now, which is the correct sentence? We take the correct sentence. Then, look here. The, her and hen. Is red. The hen is red. The, her and hen. Is wet. Now, look here everybody. Which picture is this? It's a hen. Red hen. It's a hen. Red hen. So, which is the correct sentence? The hen is wet or the hen is red? The hen is wet. No, the hen is red. So, we correct this sentence. Again, I read and look properly. The net is wet. Yes, net is wet. Then it is a jet. It's a jet plane. Then Ben has a hen. Ben has a hen. And the hen is wet. No, the hen is red. It's a red. Thank you.